Good morning, Algebra Kids. This is notes for 3-5, Unit 3, Lesson 5, translating word problems and other word problems. So some translating, and then we're going to look at one other type of word problem. So going back to translating tips, watch for subtraction. We've talked about this a bajillion and a half times, but we're going to do it again. So when it says something like 9 less than x, that gets translated to x minus 9, not 9 minus x. You might think, because the 9 comes first, that it has to come first, but it does not. 9 less than x means you're subtracting 9 from x. Let statements. Make sure you're using let statements. Joe equals, John equals. It's going to keep things a little bit more organized. First number equals, second number equals, those kind of let statements. There's always going to be an X, there's always going to be a single X for an expression because this is algebra and algebra is all about the variable. So you're always going to have a variable. So when I say X, I mean generically just a variable. Each expression will have a variable in it. And it just so happens to turn out that the expression that you have the least information on is usually the X. The person or the thing that you have the least amount of information on, or there's no sentences about, that's the one that is typically your starting point or your X. This is kind of like, yeah, I don't even have anything extra to add on to that. So we'll take a look at this first example.